When you're out camping, the last thing you want is to deal with the discomfort of nature's call without proper facilities. Whether you're exploring a remote wilderness or setting up camp at a popular campground, having a reliable camping toilet can make all the difference in your outdoor experience. In this video, we'll cover the 7 best camping toilets that provide comfort, convenience, and cleanliness. From portable buckets to full-size toilets, we've got options for every camper. Let's dive in. Number 1. Camco Portable Toilet Bucket. This product is a great option for those looking for simplicity and portability. Designed with convenience in mind, this toilet bucket is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or even emergency situations. Its compact design means it can fit easily into any vehicle, ensuring you have it on hand whenever you need it. The bucket is made from durable, high-density polyethylene, which gives it impressive strength while remaining lightweight. It also features a tight sealing lid, which is essential for odor control, keeping the contents contained and preventing any unwanted smells from permeating your camping area. The design includes a sturdy handle that makes it easy to transport, whether you're moving it from the car to your campsite or to a disposal area. Usability is one of the standout features of the Camco Portable Toilet Bucket. It is designed to be compatible with standard toilet bags, which not only makes cleanup easier but also helps to minimize your environmental impact. The bags are simple to replace, and the entire setup is easy to use, even for those who may be new to camping. Just line the bucket with a bag and you're good to go. This toilet bucket can also hold up to 5 gallons, making it suitable for multiple uses without needing to dispose of it frequently.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Camco 5.3-gallon toilet, a portable solution that combines comfort and functionality. This toilet is designed for those who want the ease of use of a full-size toilet without the need for complex setups. With its robust 5.3-gallon capacity, it provides ample space for multiple uses, making it ideal for families or groups camping together. The design of this toilet is user-friendly and features a double-sealed drain valve that prevents leaks and minimizes odors, ensuring a more pleasant experience. The toilet seat is also designed for comfort, providing a more familiar feeling compared to standard bucket toilets. Additionally, it comes with a carrying handle, which allows for easy transportation, and the compact size means it can fit into most vehicle trunks without any hassle. When it comes to quality, the Camco 5.3-gallon toilet is made from high-density polyethylene, making it sturdy and durable. It is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, and with its easy-to-clean surface, you can maintain hygiene without too much effort. It features a hand-operated pump for flushing, giving you the comfort of a traditional toilet without any complicated mechanisms. The effectiveness of the Camco 5.3-gallon toilet makes it a standout option for campers who value both convenience and comfort in their outdoor sanitation solutions. Number 3. SereneLife Portable Toilet. Coming in at number 3 is the SereneLife Portable Toilet, an innovative and stylish option for campers seeking a comfortable restroom solution. With its sleek design and compact size, this toilet is perfect for RVs, camping trips, and even for use at home in emergencies. It has a capacity of 5.3 gallons, ensuring you won't have to empty it too frequently. The SereneLife toilet features a sturdy build made from high-quality ABS plastic, which is both lightweight and exceptionally durable. This makes it easy to carry while also standing up to the elements. Its ergonomic design includes a comfortable seat height that resembles standard home toilets, making it a favorite for those who prioritize comfort while on the go. Usability is a key consideration with the SereneLife Portable Toilet. It features a built-in waste level indicator, so you can easily see when it's time to dispose of the contents. The toilet comes with a flush mechanism that is foot-operated, making it easy to use, even when your hands are full. Additionally, the removable waste tank allows for effortless emptying and cleaning, ensuring that you can maintain hygiene with minimal effort. Number 4. Reliance Folding Portable Toilet, which is designed specifically for campers who need a lightweight and collapsible option. Weighing in at just under 6 pounds, this toilet is incredibly portable, making it a great choice for hiking, camping, or even road trips. Its folding design means it can easily fit in a backpack or car trunk without taking up too much space. Constructed from durable plastic, the Reliance folding portable toilet is designed to withstand the riders of outdoor use. It features a sturdy seat and is capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The design also incorporates a removable seat for easy cleaning, ensuring you can keep it hygienic no matter where you are. Usability is a top feature of the Reliance folding portable toilet. It is compatible with standard waste bags, which simplifies cleanup and reduces environmental impact. The toilet's sturdy construction means it won't wobble or tip, providing a stable experience during use. Additionally, its compact design allows you to set it up quickly and easily, which is essential when nature calls. Number 5. Playberg Travel Toilet, which is perfect for those who want a little extra comfort while camping. This portable toilet features a full-size seat, giving you the feel of a traditional toilet while still being portable. Its sleek design makes it easy to transport and can hold up to 5 gallons of waste, making it suitable for longer trips. Made from high-quality plastic, the Playberg Travel Toilet is both durable and lightweight. Its design includes a sturdy seat and a locking lid to prevent any spills during transport. The toilet is designed for ease of use, with a smooth interior that allows for easy cleaning after each use. This ensures that you can maintain a high level of hygiene even in the great outdoors. Usability is a highlight of the Playberg Travel Toilet, as it is compatible with standard waste bags, making disposal quick and hassle-free. The flush mechanism is foot-operated, allowing for hands-free use, which is a convenient feature when you're camping. This toilet also has an easy-to-read waste level indicator, so you'll know when it's time to empty it without any guesswork. Number 6. At number 6, we have the Triptips Retractable Toilet, an innovative option designed for the modern camper. This portable toilet is unique in that it features a retractable design, allowing it to collapse down to a compact size for easy storage and transport. It's perfect for those who are short on space but still want the comfort of a traditional toilet. Constructed from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Triptips toilet is built to last. It can support up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The retractable feature allows it to expand quickly and easily when needed, so you can set it up in seconds without any hassle. Number 7. Yitahome 5.8-gallon toilet, a top-tier portable option that combines comfort with a user-friendly design. This toilet is slightly larger than many others on our list, providing a generous capacity that makes it suitable for families or groups on extended camping trips. Its robust construction means it can handle the rigors of outdoor life while remaining lightweight enough to carry. Made from high-density polyethylene, the Yitahome toilet is designed for durability. It features a sturdy, ergonomically designed seat that enhances comfort during use. The smooth surface makes cleaning easy, allowing you to maintain hygiene without much effort. This toilet also comes equipped with a secure lid that helps to minimize odors and spills, providing peace of mind while in use. Usability is a strong feature of the Yitahome 5.8-gallon toilet, as it comes with a built-in waste level indicator, so you always know when it's time to empty it. The flush system is manual, which is not only user-friendly but also ensures that waste is efficiently cleared away with each use. Its compact design means it can fit into any camping setup, making it a versatile option for any outdoor adventure. As we wrap up this review of the 7 best camping toilets, it's clear that having the right toilet can significantly enhance your camping experience. Whether you're looking for portability, comfort, or ease of use, each of these products offers unique features that can cater to your needs. Always remember to consider the space you have available and how many people will be using the toilet when making your choice. Happy camping!